Hello guys, my name is Michael Anderson. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over the best and the worst ways to borrow money quick during a crisis. Just so you know, my channel, if you've been here before, my channel is going to be going in a different direction from now on. I'm going to be sharing with you tips and advice on how to start a business, how to make it in the business world. I myself run two very successful businesses, and I want to share my knowledge and my experience with you guys. So hopefully, if there's people out there that are looking for advice and looking to start a business, maybe the experiences, the trials and tribulations that I've had might be able to help you. So moving forward, I will be posting videos about how to make money in the business world, how to make money online, how to master the art of selling, how to grow wealth, different aspects of personal development, especially how to change your mind and change your wallet in turn. So if this is something that you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, because here in the near future, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos about how to make money, how to change your life for the better, how to grow wealth, how to take opportunities like this and turn them into your benefit. So please check back. I'm also going to have a few videos along the way too of just some of the special things I do with my family. I have 3 daughters under the age of 5. I have 2 twin girls and a girl that is 3 years old. So we have a lot of special experiences that most people don't have, just having that many women in a household. So if that's something you're interested in also, please check back. But now on to the task at hand. I'm going to be explaining different ways to borrow money quick in a time of crisis, and I'm going to go over some of the pros and some of the cons of each of these different ways to borrow money quick. All right, first I'm going to explain some of the worst options for getting cash quickly, and then as this list goes on, it's going to gradually increase to better and better and better options. So first, the absolute worst option is a payday loan. Okay, guys, this is by far the absolute worst way to borrow money fast. You would probably find better interest rates with a local mafia loan shark. Maybe not local to where you live, but the neighborhood mafia loan shark is going to give you better interest rates than payday loan or cash advance places. So despite this, they're everywhere. You can go on any street corner in any city in the United States and you will find a payday cash advance place, okay? They are everywhere. And the reason is that they accept any credit score. No matter what it is, they will give you an advance on your paycheck, okay? And what most people don't realize is that this interest that they charge could be over 400%, okay? So that is going to be terrible for payback. Depending on state laws in your state, payday loans are usually due about 2 weeks after the borrow date, and they must be paid back in one payment, also along with their cleverly hidden finance charge, okay? Some states will set a max for this, while others do not, but they're usually going to range between $10 to $30 for every $100 borrowed. Now, 10 to 30 may not seem like a lot, but just to compare, alone with a $15 fee for every $100 borrowed is the equivalent of having a credit card with a rate of 400%. That is outrageous for payback. Okay, so that is the number one worst way to get money quickly right now. Okay, next up on the list, a little bit better, but still on the worst list, is getting a credit card cash advance. Okay, these are only slightly better, remember that. And they're a very popular way to get money fast, but they come with one of the most expensive fees out of all of these on the list. Borrowers will pay a transaction fee which is usually between 3 to 5% of the amount that they're borrowing. And on top of that, you actually have to still pay the interest rate that the credit card company charges on the amount that you're borrowing. So you have the regular interest on the amount plus a 3 to 5% fee on top of that. Now, generally, most credit cards are going to have a rate around average of 17%. And you might be thinking, well, my credit card rate's not that high. Well, when you do a cash advance on a credit card, it is not going to be done under your regular credit card APR. Most average around 17 to 20%. Well, the average of the cash advance rates for credit cards is up to 25%. So it's going to be even higher than if you just made a regular purchase on your credit card. That might be something to keep in mind too. If you need to spend money on something and you have enough of a credit card limit to make this purchase, it would be more beneficial to you to pay it, put it on your credit card, than it would be to take a cash advance from your credit card company and then pay it. So definitely keep that in mind. All right, the next option is tapping into your 401k. While this tactic is not as detrimental to you in the short term as the previous two, it can cause substantial setback in your retirement plans. Okay? Federal law will allow you to take up to 50% of your account balance out on your 401k with a maximum of $50,000. You then have about 5 years to pay back the loan, which comes with an interest rate that is usually lower than most credit card interest rates, and that makes it definitely better than a payday, cash advance loan, or a credit card loan. But there are some substantial drawbacks to this. First, you lose the power of compound interest on your 401k, and that is the main way these 401ks grow, is through compound interest. And the worst of all, if you were to lose your job during this time, the loan will become due in 90 days. So this might not be a good time to tap into your 401k, especially if there is any uncertainty to the future of your position in your company or wherever this 401k is. If it's definitely going to be a risk, because if you lose that job, you will have to pay this money back within 90 days. Okay, now I'm going to talk about some of the best options for getting money quick during a time of crisis. These are going to have better interest rates, better flexibility, better payback options, and they are going to be usually made by more reputable lending companies. The first one is getting a personal loan. Okay, personal loans do not require you to borrow against something of value like a house, which definitely makes these good for people, first, that do not own a house, and also, two, for people that own a home but have not built up a lot of equity yet in the home. Because of this, it means that most of these loans are going to come with higher interest rates than home equity loans, but still a lot better interest rates than a credit card cash advance and a payday cash advance. And they're more beneficial than tapping into a 401k because you don't have the option of destroying your retirement plans, and you don't have the risk of having to have the loan called immediately if you lose your job. Okay? Personal loans are going to be locked in shorter terms. They're going to be around 1 to 5 year payback periods, and personal loans are going to be good for smaller loans than a home equity loan, but also for bigger amounts than you would want to put on a credit card. Generally anything up to $35,000. Okay? The average interest rates on a personal loan is going to be around 11%, according to most averages. But someone with really good credit score can sometimes get a personal loan as low as 5.6%. And that is much, much lower than the standard APR on a credit card cash advance, and especially lower than a payday loan or payday cash advance. So personal loans are going to be a very good option for getting money quick that's not going to really hurt you in the long run. They're going to make a little bit of a percent, but that's what they charge for the service of giving you the money. But their fees are not exorbitant, so it is definitely financially sound option to go with. Now, the last way to get cash quickly during a time of crisis when you need money quick, and the best option, is a home equity loan. Now, I know this may not pertain to some of you who rent or do not have enough equity in the home, or people that live with someone else. But if you own your own home and have enough equity built up in the home, it is one of the best ways to get money quick with a low interest rate. One of the most used ways to get this equity is through a cash out refinance. And this is where you completely refinance your mortgage for a higher amount that you currently have. And a home equity loan can be withdrawn in a lump sum with a fixed rate to be paid back generally between 5 to 15 years, or it can be withdrawn as a home equity line of credit with a variable rate. Now, the average interest rate on a home equity loan is about 5.6%, compared to about 6% on the home equity line of credit. But with the recent Fed drops, home equity line of credit payments are probably going to go down within the next month or two, so that's something to keep in mind also. Now, that concludes my list of the best and the worst ways to get money quick right now during a time of crisis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it was beneficial to you, please hit the thumbs up, and please, if you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the bell notification, subscribe button. Going forward, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos that pertain to how to make money in normal life, how to make money online, how to build wealth, and more important topics like how to help you become a better person mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. And the most important thing to remember during all this is that it's going to get better. Things are not going to be like this forever. Okay, the market will recover and correct itself. A recession is a normal part of a healthy economy. It's like a reset button to balance out the huge highs that we've been having lately. So it's not the end of the world. It's important to stay safe out there and protect yourself, but do not get discouraged that the sky is falling. Everything at some point will get back on the upswing, and it is a perfect opportunity right now to make money. Okay, remember that this is a great opportunity to do your research, look at the way things are going. Stocks are going to be at a real big discount right now, so that is definitely something to look at. And try to stay positive during this time and appreciate what you have, because it will not last forever. And this opportunity that you have right now to gain wealth, we will probably never see an opportunity like this in our lifetimes. So the best way to do that moving forward is to get your mind right, okay? You will not be able to build wealth unless your mind is completely adjusted to the idea of you being wealthy, okay? You have to change your subconscious thinking to see that you are a wealthy person and that you can get wealth. It's easy to get money. Money comes to you easily and effortlessly, and the only way to do that is to change your thinking and to change your subconscious mind. So if this is something that you're interested in, I'm going to have some new videos on how you can change your thinking, how you can change your mind in order to change your wallet, and those are going to be coming very soon. So if you liked what I'm doing here, this is the direction the channel is going to be moving forward. If you've seen some of my old videos, they were about Game of Thrones theories and random stuff like that. So now we're going in the finance, wealth direction. I just want to take an opportunity to share with everybody my successes, how I've gotten here, what I do to be successful, how I've made money online, how I've made money in the real world, to help you to grow your wealth, change your thinking, and to put you on the path of prosperity and abundance. So that concludes this video. Like I said, if you would like to see more, there'll be new videos very soon. So please subscribe, please like this video. And once again, this is Michael Anderson, and I will see you again very soon.